In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop the App Store from auto-updating apps on iPhone. If you prefer to decide exactly when your apps get updated, this setting is very useful. Turning off automatic updates gives you more control over your device, helps you avoid unexpected app changes, and can also be helpful if you want to save data or wait before installing a new version of an app. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll until you find Apps, then tap on it. From there, tap App Store. This will take you to the section where you can manage how app downloads and updates work on your device. Now look for the Automatic Download section. Here you'll see an option called App Updates. If this is turned on, your iPhone is automatically updating apps in the background whenever updates become available. To stop that from happening, simply turn off App Updates. Once it's disabled, your apps will no longer update automatically behind the scenes. That's the main change you need to make. From this point on, your iPhone will only update apps when you choose to update them yourself. If you still want to keep your apps up to date, but just prefer to do it manually, the process is simple. Open the App Store, then tap your profile picture in the top right corner. After that, scroll down until you see the list of available updates. You can tap Update next to any individual app if you only want to update certain ones, or tap Update All if you want to install everything at once. This gives you full control over which updates get installed and when. There's also one optional setting you may want to check. If apps you download on another iPhone or iPad are appearing automatically on this device, you can disable that too. Go back to Settings, then Apps, then App Store. Under Automatic Downloads, turn off App Downloads. This prevents apps downloaded on your other Apple devices from automatically showing up on this iPhone. After turning off app updates, your iPhone will only update apps when you manually choose to do so from the App Store. This is a great option if you like having more control over your device and your app experience, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.